Experiment number 15 aim to evaluate absorbent cotton wool IP. Procedure, we have to do the identification test. First test, examine single fiber of absorbent cotton wool under the microscope. It has a single cell about 4 cm long and 40 mm wide in the form of flattened tube with thick and rounded walls and often twisted. We have to take the sample of absorbent cotton on a glass slide and treat it with a few drops of iodinated zinc chloride solution. The absorbent cotton fibers become violet. Point 1 gram of sample in a borosilicate beaker and add 10 ml of zinc chloride solution in it. Hammer the above solution at 40 degrees Celsius and allow to stand for 2.5 hours with continuous shaking. The final does not dissolve. Second test for acidity and alkalinity and surface active substances. We take the 15 gram of sample, weigh it. The sample 15 gram and in a stoppered borosilicate flask. Add 150 ml of water to it.
2, 3.
After maceration of 2 hours in a closed borosilicate flask, decant the liquid and squeeze out carefully the residual liquid with a glass rod and mix both the liquids. Using the same filtrate for the test of acidity, alkalinity and surface active substances, we have to do the following test. Test for acidity. करूँ का?
बोलना तू.
3.
Test for acidity. Take 25 ml of the filtrate in a borosilicate glass beaker.
Tamba.
0.1 ml of dilute phenolphthalein solution in it. The solution does not show a pink color. If the solution shows pink color, it indicates the presence of acidic content in it, and the solution which does not show a pink color, it is not acidic content. Test for alkalinity. Take 25 ml of the filtrate in a borosilicate glass beaker. Add 0.05 ml of methyl orange solution in it. It shows the pink color and it indicates the presence of alkaline content in it and the vice versa. Test for the surface active substances. Take 25 ml graduated ground glass stoppered cylinder. Stoppered cylinder has rinsed with the sulfuric acid. After washing the stoppered flask with the sulfuric acid, we take the 10 ml of filtrate of absorbent cotton wool. Shaking the flask vigorously 30 times in a 10 seconds. Shake the flask vigorously 30 times in 10 seconds and allow it to stand for 1 minute.
Yeah.
After 5 minutes, the height of the froth does not exceed 2 mm above the surface of the liquid. Fluorescence test. Prepare a layer of absorbent cotton on a glass plate. Examine it under an ultraviolet lamp having a maximum output at 365 nanometer. Shows only a slight brownish violet fluorescence and a few yellow particles, not more than a few isolated fibers, shows an intense blue fluorescence. For naps, spread the layer of 0.5 gram absorbent cotton uniformly between two glass plates. It is viewed under the transmitted light. Repeat the test 3 times, and absorbent cotton wool does not show more naps than about an average of 250 for 3 tests.